Man, it is windy here in the rainforest. We got to watch for falling fruit.
Holy smokes.
What?
Look up in that tree there. All the orange, what are beautiful orange
Where?
flowers up top. Up.
Oh,
Beautiful,
yeah. Oh, those are
Pretty,
gorgeous, yeah. Amazing what grows in here.
Oh, man.
It is so nice.
It is windy. There's an area where they have those fruit.
Amazing palms growing in here. There's a Sable Cassarianum there.
So those are all the lipstick.
Little shack. Oh, seismic shack in there.
These are sure pretty, eh? We can't grow these ones.
No, not those.
No.
Those are bromeliad. Everything blooming. And there's a nice clump of Cyrostachys renga, sealing wax palm, lipstick palm. It is warm, huh? Nice warm tropical breeze. Tropical wind. Be careful not to get hit by branches.
Little flowers.
I've been up here a lot, but not when it's been this windy. There's some Roystonia regia. Look at the Cuban royal palms. See how I hike? I hike in flip-flops, folks. That's the way you do it. Hiked up to Manoa Falls in them
There it
last
is.
year.
That little pink.
Oh yeah, that was beautiful. Check out these ones right here. Aren't those nice? They're red trunks on them of these palms. Stalks, aren't they beautiful? So that's a sealing wax palm
Sealing wax.
or a lipstick palm. There's a Phoenix reclinata, and they're a clumping date palm. Actually, it probably says right here. Phoenix reclinata, Senegal date palm. And that's a Wendy right there, watching her step. So folks, oh, it's this one here. Come here for a sec there, Miss T. Come here for a sec, Miss T. I want to do something here.
Oh.